pulses and get in homework. Whatever idea, let them do. That is what happens. It is not restricted with only drawing and coloring and all. If you mix all these, plus will be done with languages, social science, it is art and literature. So these are the 4 C's we were speaking: critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. This is most important in every classroom we should have. In all your resource books, it is there. Courses, it is covered. But you don't know where it is being covered. Generally, it happens. It will be there like role play should be done for this. It is done. Communication is done. Collaboration is done. Student is able to prepare their own dialogue with some creativity, or they are doing.